HiBuffet says you a warm welcome. Guys, today I am going to share a very easy recipe for mayo white chickpeas and bean salsa. Trust me, it is a very healthy recipe. You will feel good after eating it. So let's start. 1 cup boiled white chickpeas. 1 cup red beans. 1 cup boiled potato cubes. 1 cup finely chopped cabbage. 1 cup onions chopped. 1 cup tomato chopped. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black salt. Half tablespoon chaat masala. Mix all these ingredients very well. One cup mayonnaise. Garnish it with chaat masala. Our mayonnaise white chickpeas bean salsa is ready to serve. Guys, if you are enjoying this recipe, please like and share. Fellow and friends, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you get notifications of our upcoming video recipes. Bye bye.